I'm about to be meeting my friends, Shan and Basil. It's been a really long time since we've met. I'm currently walking to the commuting thingy. I don't want to wear a cap. It doesn't really match the outfit that I'm wearing. So I borrowed this umbrella. Anyway, I'm gonna go there. And I'm gonna kill myself. I thought it was Shan and Jazzle. They had the same hair, they had the same lip, and I screamed at them. It's not them. Hey guys, so today we're waiting for BK and she said that she will. This is so awkward. She said she will live with us. Guys, why is BK so late? Kasi! Guys! Wait! No! Let's go kayo!
Baldi nagpakita ah.
Dude! Wait! Nasigawan ko sila! They don't know you, so it's fine. Sila tumatawag dito sa akin. Hi! Nakatingin sila sa akin! Nakatingin nila sa akin! Iwan mo pa! Nakakahiya! Nanginginig ako! Girl, mahaba na yung hair ko. Mahaba na yung hair ko. Yes. Dati nandito lang ka? Yes, nagkapagsikat ako.
Tara, bili tayo.
Okay, so guys, today Blitz is going to,
Ito ice cream.
Ito, Magno. We're gonna buy some ice cream. Are you sure
Yeah.
you're going? Because me, I cannot eat ice cream. Why? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Is it because you just got your retainer? I don't want to take off my retainers.
Ilang flavor naman ako.
Bro, why you keep asking? This is how it looks like in Shan's camera. We look dead.
It's good.
Mas maganda na to na si Vicky. Ha? Doon na nakilala si Vicky.
Yung mga change mo na lang sa school na yun eh.
Ano ba? Sino? Para. Yun na. We are in a fog.
Ano?
Full charge to? Oh, yes.
Sige, lubatin natin.
Dalawa battery sa How long will this last? Crochet. Yes. My friend made this for me. No! Our ice cream will melt if we walk already.
Let's go, team.
Let's go! Blitz is time to dance, bro. Let's go dance in front. Hi, this like you're just going to turn left, turn right. Okay, we're just eating ice cream right now. Guys, we don't know where we're going.
Yeah.
So we are lost in the middle of nowhere. I swear, guys, we're going to like. Okay, I'm gonna leave the directions. Dito tayo. Dito. Oh my God!
I'm just eating. Kanino idea ba kasi maglakad?
Not me!
Bro, you said na. Sige. Carry natin.
No!
Kakain ko na buhok ko. Ba't tayo naglakad?
This is probably the worst thing ever. That's amazing. But it is kind of hot, so nothing is funny, nothing's amazing. Where is it?
Are we close?
Let me finish.
Ayan. Bro, we're so close.
Woo, let's go! Okay. I'm so excited. Yay!
Can you write my name?
No, I'm not gonna write your name. Look at my back. It's like a heart.
How could you study, dude? It's your fault.
No, ayoko na. Okay, I might go to the swings. I'm really not sure. This is really fun.
Higa ako. Never na ako maglalakad sa buhay ko.
We're finally here. Now what? You know what?
I don't see any guys.
Why? Why do you wanna see? Yeah. No.
Oo nga, no.
Okay, it's gonna start. Okay, it's gonna start now. 3, 2, 1, go. It's too hot. Let's go play. Come on.
Ang init.
I wanna go play. I'm gonna rest first. Okay.
Don't have bread.
This is the worst Uno game ever. Yes, I'm filming.
Pangit ng cards ko. I only have one card.
Hold on.
Ako dalawa.
Hey!
It's your turn.
Hey! Nagpo-pose ako.
Ano na? Sulat.
Ano?
Ano ulit yung ilaw?
Ano na? Sino na? Me?
Nag-end na. Ay, doon.
Tara!
Takbo. Tapos nadulas, no?
Feel ko madadapa siya.
Bro, I already imagine.
Imagine what?
May-imagine ko doon.
Teka, mag-makeup ako. Sige. Naalala ko tuloy nagpa-powder si Jacel. Sa classroom.
Wait
Tas
lang.
minsan ang puti-puti ng mukha ni Jacel.
Okay, nagbi-video. Nag-aayos. Baka kasi may makita.
Can I see myself? Yeah.
Uy,
Uy, wala pa tayong mga picture. Wala akong pang ano.
wala akong pang Instagram. Mamaya na nga yan.
Let's go.
Yeah, pwede nyo namang iwan gamit
Let's go.
nyo.
Bakit?
Bro!
Dati may pang-profile ka na.
Huh? Sige, papost ka sa ayun.
Let's go.
For kids only lang yan.
Oh.
Ka dyan, dito ba?
Ang init.
Sana mahulog ka.
Doon tayo. Oh my God. Oh my God! Why yung camera?
Alang init.
Dito tayo sa ano? Tayong tatlo.
Dito ako sa gitna.
Jacel, doon ka sa...
Uy, wala akong hawakan. Doon tayo.
Okay.
Kaya alam mo ako na lang sa gitna kasi nakapalda. Yay! Huwag ka mambibigla!
What's happening?
Ang init ng upuan, pre.
Wait lang. I-ano mo ako, i-balance mo ako.
Chan! Halo-halo sa lakas.
Ha?
Halo-halo. Bili tayo.
Wala akong pera!
Video me while walking. Wisama si Big. Naka-video na.
Clock it! Clock it!
Tama natin, tigil na natin.
Anong maganda dyan? Wala talagang maganda dyan.
Nasaan yung bongko? Right, trust the process, bro. Bakit ganun yung
Oh,
I like this one.
No, I don't.
It looks good, bro.
I-edit ko na lang mukha ko.
Siya nakapikit. Kaya. Kasya pa tayo.
Sleeping Beauty.
I'm about to tell you something.
What?
She's pregnant.
What? Bro, wala akong makita.
Ano kayo? Gusto mong isipin ko? Nagtitigan lang kayo? Kumain, nagkape, nagkamustahan? Hinalikan pa ba niya?
Yari kay Blitz, okay pa ba si Blitz?
Di ba ako natutulog?
2 types of person kapag
Ilo na ako,
nagsiswing.
Jasen.
Ikaw na.
Jasen!
Salahin kita!
Uy, natatakot ako ba kayo?
Talon. Ow! Go.
Hawakan mo. Wait,
Go.
Huwag nabali yung ano ko. Mapa-hospital mo ba ako?
No.
Wow!
And she's using her camera.
I'm just watching.
Patingin ng pictures.
Ito lang tinitignan ko pa sa akin.
Ganda ng picture ko sa'yo.
Binubuli niyo ako ah.
Ano to?
She's sad.
I'm happy.
I'm eating.
Mahal na mahal ko kayo ah.
Bro, I cannot. Bro, yan lang nalagay ko. Nasa yun. Ayaw mo?
Ay, ano to? Flow tipid version?